Welcome back everybody to What's for Supper Wednesday. Tonight for supper we're going to have chili and hot dogs. This is our favorite chili. It's called Pink's chili. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 carrot shredded or food processed, beef broth, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of masa flour, and 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. First, you'll brown your ground beef. Then you add a half a cup of beef broth. Add in the carrots and the seasonings. We keep getting fogged up, sorry about that. Then you'll add your masa flour or mesa. Then add your all-purpose flour a little bit at a time. Then add the rest of the broth. Now you reduce to low heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, you'll set this aside and let it cool to room temperature. Then you'll put this in the food processor and grind it up. Then just heat this back up in a pan to put over your hot dogs.
Alrighty folks, this is just one of the ways we fix hot dogs. Boil them for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to set them off here onto a plate. Like I said, this is just one of the ways we do it. We like it like this. Now we're going to take some butter and put it in a frying pan. Get that good and melted. And then we're going to take in hot dogs that we just boiled and drop them in here and fry them for a little bit. Fry them for however long you want, however much color you want on them there. Carolyn, she likes hers a little bit on the burnt side. Dan, he don't like his burned at all. I'm sort of in the middle. So you just fix them however you like to there. Alright. There's them hot dogs. There's that chili. That's good stuff, folks. there won't be no chili left when we get done. And then you just fix your dogs up however you want to there. There's some tater wedges. I would like to thank y'all for watching. You all have a blessed day. And we'll see you next time. Thank you again for watching.